Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to unlock the Nascar vehicles in the pack. So you have to complete these things and then basically you can get the well-end modified tour car. So first of all, let's hop right in and I'll show you guys how to get this right. Let's hop in we have a Nascar because we need a Nascar. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go in here and you want to teleport to the power is the easiest thing to do. Now, basically, I'm not gonna get the car right now because it takes more. It takes a while. But I'll tell you guys exactly how to get it. So what you want to do, you want to hop one of these fences, and you just want to go over to these generators. So look, you want to look for the little yellow diamonds. Then you're gonna go over here, repair. Just hit E and then E, and then it says restore power 6 out of 15. And then voila, you keep going. 9 out of 15 right now. Oh, you can turn on lights too. There's obviously interactables, but they don't do anything. We'll do these ones over here. 11 and then 12, and then let me go over here like this, and then 13, 14. 15. There you go. Now we completed that mission. So now you're going to open the menu up and claim your money and your credits. Now, you should get a couple of things. You get 10 tuning kits, you get 30 tuning kits total, you get a caliper, which is really good. You get 15 minutes of that. Now, the next two tasks, basically, these two tasks are really easy. You can either wait and it'll take you longer, but you can just do it through generators. It'll take you roughly four times of these. Or you can just teleport to the race, you hit teleport, then you do global multiplayer. So look, you get this, right? Okay, now I'm in a Nascar, now you can do global multiplayer, you can do normal multiplayer. Solo doesn't pay you, by the way. But yeah, also, now that I've shown you guys how to do that, because, you know, that's pretty easy. Now I have $1.9 million. I don't know what I'm going to spend that on, but okay, so let's just explore this map a little bit. Okay, so we've got, obviously, all the pit garages, and we've got, hold on, can we even get back there? I think we can. There's like a stage area, that'd be pretty cool. And then obviously all the people, that was in the Mexico race. Then, can we get in there? Yeah, we can. Yo, I'm going to definitely do some crazy roleplays here. Yo, this is going to be a sick roleplay area. Okay, I wanna go to, wait, these like helicopters, yeah, these are sick. Look at this, there's a Black Hawk, obviously. A little bit fast at the front, but, I see a ramp, I gotta hit it. Oh my god. Okay, we've got a control tower, maybe we'll go take a look at that in a second, but. Oh, okay. So, obviously you can't go into the control tower, but that's pretty sick. And then, obviously some rooms, some like, buildings, I don't know what the buildings do. Okay, so now we're on the port. Yo, I gotta not fall into the ocean here. Ooh, there's a ramp onto the aircraft there. We gotta take this. We gotta take this ramp. Okay, what? No, these are like J10s. No, what are they called? I don't know what these are, but they're not American jets. Or maybe they're modeled off an F-16, I don't know. Really sick. Also, these aren't aircraft carrier jets, by the way. Aircraft carrier is a little glitchy. Yeah, I'm gonna jump straight up here, you ready? Hey. Okay, so this is a pretty sick, thing, okay. Alright, let's go jump onto this aircraft. Frick. Oh. Ooh, can we go up there? Please tell me we can. Oh no, bro. We can't. Oh, that's a pity. Okay, go up onto this aircraft carrier. Yeah, what's different? No, there's nothing different. Okay. Yeah, we'll definitely do some crazy stuff with this. Hold up. I wanna, jump off there. Wonderful. Come on. Ooh, we landed it. Ooh, that was crazy. Alright, bro, this is a sick little... Wait, my favorite bit, I think I gotta go find it, guys, because my favorite bit is so sick. It's actually like one of the coolest things. Now we're leaving the, oh yeah, here it is, look, I'll show you. Okay, right, so, look, you just drive in here, you've got your jet here, that's an A4 looking thing, kind of, okay, and then you pull in here, Naval Base Coronado. This is insane, and you can, like, pull in here, race control and observation, and obviously all the tents and stuff, and then, of course, you've got San Diego race now. Who's leading? We did it in 79 seconds, we're gonna get $3 million. Wow. Okay, but yeah, guys, I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.